This video demonstrates the installation of the WAFS 106 flow sensor in a high-pressure line using the retention device. Begin by positioning the lower retention plate over the isolation valve. Align the plate opening accurately with the valve and the probe entry point. Before proceeding, verify the specified pressure rating, required personal protective equipment, and the approved site procedure. Insert the WAFS 106 probe through the compression fitting. Keep the probe centered on the valve axis and confirm that the fitting seats correctly before proceeding. Pass the long anchor rods through the lower plate and engage them securely around the pipeline. Check that each rod has equal support and cannot slip. Fit the washers and nuts on the anchor rods. Tighten the opposite sides in stages so the lower plate clamps evenly without twisting. Position the upper retention plate around the sensor head. Align it directly above the lower plate so the probe remains vertical. Install the guide rods and hand-tighten the upper fasteners. Keep the frame square and ensure that the sensor can move through the center without binding. Lock the lower nuts and verify that every anchor rod is fully engaged. The base must remain rigid before pressure-assisted insertion begins. Tighten all retention frame fasteners uniformly. Recheck that the probe is vertical, centered, and free from side loading. Work around the frame in a cross pattern, making small adjustments to each fastener. Recheck the frame after every pass. For a pressurized installation, advance the drive nuts in small and equal turns. Alternate between sides so the upper plate moves down level and the sensor enters the line in a controlled manner. Continue lowering in measured increments. Do not force the probe or allow the plate to tilt. Stop immediately if movement becomes uneven. As the sensor approaches its final position, compare both drive nuts and confirm that the upper plate remains level. Stop when the specified insertion depth is reached. Secure the compression gland and lock nut, then complete the required leak test and final stability check before placing the sensor in service.